Hey guys, today we got a special project. Guy has a monolithic upper and a lower he wants done with the tiger stripe camo. I guess I have this as an example. I mean, this isn't exactly what we're doing, but those are the stencils we'll be using, and we're going to be doing it with OD green, AI dark earth, and black. First thing we need to do is cut some stencil. Just pulled the gun out of the solvent. So what we're going to do is run it through the blaster, gas it out, and then we're going to put a base coat on it. And for the base coat, I'm going to use this AI dark earth, and we're going to paint the entire thing. And then when that's, we'll flash cure that. And when we pull that out of the oven, we'll go ahead and take the OD green, and we'll take OD green and we'll marble the entire gun with OD green and let some of that AI dark earth show through, and then we'll flash cure that. We can apply our stencils, and then we'll put the black on. So I'm going to go through the sand, get this in the sandblaster and into the oven. The first color tacked out. Now we're going to start marbling the OD green over top of the AI dark earth. It's time to start laying stencils on this so we can get ready to do our last coat. some black and dirty this thing up. I think that's going to be it. Well, let's get that in the oven for a full cure. All right, guys, the timer went off. Paint should be fully cured. We can start peeling stencils. That's definitely a nice look. Very happy with the way this came out, and I think the customer is going to be quite pleased. So now, I think we can call this gun done. Came out really super sharp.